In this video, we'll take a look at the top benchtop planers available today. These models stand out for their performance, precision, and durability, making them great choices for achieving smooth, professional quality wood finishes. Let's start with the DEWALT DW735X thickness planer. This machine is an absolute beast when it comes to tackling tough wood projects. I got my hands on it recently, and let me tell you, this planer just powers through everything. With a 15-amp motor and 20,000 RPM, it handles larger cuts and thicker materials without breaking a sweat. The 2-speed gearbox is a nice touch, letting you adjust the feed rate between 96 and 179 cuts per inch, depending on the type of finish you want. I was especially impressed by the 3-knife cutter head, which extends knife life by 30%, making the tool more efficient. The fan-assisted chip ejection system keeps things clean while you work, and the automatic carriage lock prevents snipe, ensuring smooth, precise cuts. With a price tag of around $707, this planer is an excellent investment for anyone serious about woodworking. If you're looking for an affordable, powerful planer, I highly recommend the CRAFTSMAN CMEW 320. This 15-amp benchtop planer offers impressive material removal capabilities, making it perfect for both softwoods and hardwoods. With its 2-knife solid steel cutter head, it operates smoothly and provides long-lasting performance, making quick work of your projects. The planer's Poly V cutter head drive ensures maximum stock removal, while the reversible high-carbon steel knives extend cutting life, so you don't have to change them as often. Weighing in at just under 62 pounds, it's a bit on the heavier side, but it's still manageable for most users. Plus, the vacuum port helps keep your workspace clean. At around $299, this planer delivers great value for its performance. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a small shop professional, the CRAFTSMAN CMEW 320 will get the job done without breaking the bank. I want to recommend something for those of you looking for a solid planer without breaking the bank, and that's the WEN-PL 132-615 amp 13-inch spiral planer. This planer gives you that smooth finish with its spiral cutter head, and it's still priced well under $500. It might not be the latest model, but it's got a 15-amp motor that provides plenty of power for most woodworking tasks. It's got a 13-inch width and can handle boards up to 6 inches thick, so it's going to give you the capacity you need. It's got a solid build and features 26 rotatable blades for a clean cut, though the cutting speed isn't as fast as some premium models. Still, at around $430, this is definitely a great option for someone who wants solid performance without spending too much. Next up is the RIDGID R4331 13-inch planer. This model stands out because it provides powerful performance with its 15-amp motor, running at a solid 9,000 RPM. It's perfect for handling a variety of woods, including both soft and hardwood. The 3-blade cutter head is equipped with quick change, dual edge, and reversible blades, offering a smooth finish with minimal effort. The repeat-a-cut and in-die-cut depth gauges are a nice touch for ensuring consistent thickness and accurate material removal, which is key for a high-quality result. One feature I really appreciate is how user-friendly this planer is. It doesn't require much adjustment and performs well for both hobbyists and professionals alike. The RIDGID R4331 is a great option at about $439, making it a solid investment for anyone looking for a high-quality, durable benchtop planer without breaking the bank. On the heavy-duty side, I'm going to recommend the Delta 13-inch portable thickness planer. This tool is a great option for anyone who needs power and precision. With its 15-amp motor and a 28 feet per minute feed rate, it's built to tackle big jobs with ease. The 3-blade system, combined with a precision-machined cutter head, ensures smooth, consistent cuts every time. At 13 inches wide, it gives you plenty of space to work quickly, and the reversible dust port makes it easy to keep your work area clean. The stainless steel bed helps reduce friction, boosting motor efficiency for long-lasting use. It's a bit heavier at 58 pounds, but still manageable for most shops. The price sits around $439, which is a solid deal for the quality and durability it provides. Though availability may vary, so make sure it's in stock before pulling the trigger.